He started with nothing but a computer, a dream, and a love for video games. This is the story of PewDiePie, the boy from Sweden who became the king of YouTube. Felix Kjellberg was born in 1989 in Gothenburg, Sweden. While others chased grades, Felix chased creativity, drawing game characters, playing Nintendo, and dreaming big. But life had other plans. He joined university and soon dropped out. His parents didn't believe YouTube could be a career, so he worked at a hot dog stand, saving money just to buy equipment. In 2010, he created a channel, PewDiePie. A strange name, but one that would soon echo across the internet. He screamed, laughed, and played horror games like Amnesia, making millions feel like they were right beside him. And just like that, the Bro Army was born. By 2013, he was the most subscribed YouTuber in the world. From his bedroom to global fame, the world's biggest media couldn't believe it. He proved that passion could beat any system. But fame isn't easy. Felix faced controversies, backlash, and pressure from millions. He made mistakes, and he owned them. He learned, grew stronger, and came back better than ever. Then came the great YouTube war, PewDiePie versus T-Series. The internet united behind him, shouting one phrase across the world: subscribe to PewDiePie. It wasn't just about numbers. It was about creators standing tall against corporations. In 2019, he reached the impossible, 100 million subscribers, the first individual in history to do it. YouTube crowned him with the red diamond play button. But Felix had already earned something greater: the love of millions. He married Marja, moved to Japan, and started a new life of peace. Less fame, more family, more happiness. From a small room in Sweden to global legend, PewDiePie changed YouTube forever. He didn't just make videos. He inspired a generation to believe that even one voice can reach the world. Bro Fist. For more stories, please like and subscribe Dhillon Stories. Have a great day.